Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 6 Internet Services. Internet Services. So as you know, today internet became a basic necessity of human being. Almost everywhere we are using this internet. Okay, whether it is school, office, bank, station, airport, etc. Almost everywhere we are using for our benefit. Okay. Now let's discuss the services of internet. Before that, let me tell you what is internet. So the internet is the largest network. Okay, what is internet? Internet is the largest network that connects millions of computer. Not only computer, here we can mention mobile phone also now. Okay, worldwide to share information and services. Okay. The internet is the largest network that connects millions of computer or mobiles worldwide to share information and services. Okay, and the main purpose of the internet to share information. Okay, it doesn't matter where the person is, only we need internet connection, easily we can access any information. Okay, people all over the world can use the internet for various purposes like accessing web page. Using internet we can access any web page like shopping website. If you want to purchase anything, then you supposed to go to the shopping website. Okay, if you want to do the payment, then you supposed to go to the bank website. Okay, if you want to access the educational content, then according to your desire you supposed to visit the educational website. Okay, so using internet we can access any web page according to our desire. Clear to you? Now send mail. Earlier we used to send our letter and all with the help of post office, but now we have option. Now we have mail option. Using that we can send our mail within a second. Okay, only we need internet connection. Clear to you? Watch video. Using internet we can watch any video like we can watch movie, we can watch song, news, live cricket, live football, okay, etc. So using internet we can watch the video also. Then we have download data. Okay, we can download audio, video, movie, games, okay, or any educational document. Okay, so using internet we can download the data. Okay, data can be song, video, PDF file. Okay, playing game. Now we have the facility. Using internet we can play the games in our mobile phone or laptop. Only we need to install the particular game in our mobile phone or laptop. After that we can play the game online. Okay, like PUBG, you know very well, Call of Duty. Okay, so these are the online games which you can play with the help of internet. Clear to you? Now what are the things we require for internet connection? What are the things we require for an internet connection? First, the very important, computer, or we can say a mobile phone. The first thing which you need, either computer or mobile phone. Okay, then only we can access the internet. Clear to you? Then second, we need internet service provider, that means ISP. Now what is this internet service provider? This is very important question children. Okay, so please learn first full form of ISP, then definition of ISP. Okay, so full form internet service provider, ISP full form internet service provider, and the definition is it is an internet service provider, or we can say it is a company which provides us internet facility. Okay, what is written here? See, it is an internet service provider through which you can avail internet facility. In other words, we can say it's a kind of company which provides us internet facility. Okay, as you are using the SIM like Airtel, Jio and all in your mobile phone, and they are providing you internet facility. Okay, that's why this Jio, Airtel and all are what? Internet service provider. Why? Because they are providing you internet service. Okay, clear to you? Now modem. Now what is the use of modem? It is a device used to connect to internet. So this also help us to connect our device with internet. Okay, it converts outgoing signal from a computer to analog signals, as well as the incoming signal to a computer into digital signal. Try to understand the concept. So here we have modem, here we have computer, and suppose this is internet. Clear? The signal which is coming to the modem, that is in analog form. Okay, that is in analog form, and that is in analog form, and that analog signal we cannot read or understand. Okay, so this modem will convert this analog signal into digital signal. Then this modem will send the digital signal to this device. Okay, and then that information we can read. Same way, when we send the digital signal from here, the moment that digital signal reach to this modem, this will convert into analog signal, then this will send to the internet. Okay, so this is the use of modem, to convert analog signal to digital signal and digital signal to analog signal. Clear to you? Then we have web browser. This also very important. Using this only we can search anything, whether it is image, video, music, games and all. Okay, so web browser is a software which enable the user to interact with text, image, videos, music and other information present on internet. Okay, only we need to search according to our desire. Okay, understood? The example we have Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Mozilla. Okay, understood? So children, today whatever we have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.